Hi there! Ready to learn some fun fruit names in English? Today, we're diving into the colorful world of fruits. Let's see how many you already know. Let's get started. Look at this juicy red fruit. It's sweet and delicious. It's strawberry. Strawberry. A tropical delight, full of sweetness and flavor. It's pineapple. Pineapple. Soft, juicy, and sweet. This is the delicious peach. It's peach. Peach. Tiny and tasty, these grapes are perfect for snacking. They're grapes. Grapes. A soft, sweet fruit with a lovely shape. It's pear. Pear. A yellow and tropical fruit full of energy. It's a banana. Banana. Here's a crisp and fresh apple, perfect for a snack. It's an apple. Apple. This juicy fruit is perfect for a hot summer day. It's a watermelon. Watermelon. Sweet, juicy, and bright red. Everyone loves cherries. They're cherries. Cherries. Tropical, juicy, and so sweet. Mangoes are pure sunshine. It's a mango. Mango. Bright, tangy, and full of vitamin C. Meet the amazing orange. It's an orange. Orange. Tiny, fuzzy, and packed with flavor. Kiwis are a fun, tropical bite. It's a kiwi. Kiwi. A bright red fruit full of little gems. Meet the pomegranate. It's a pomegranate. Pomegranate. Sweet and packed with antioxidants, blueberries are a healthy treat. They're blueberries. Blueberries. Soft, golden, and sweet. Apricots are little bites of sunshine. It's an apricot. Apricot. Tropical, creamy, and full of flavor. Coconuts are simply unique. It's a coconut. Coconut. A small fruit with a big flavor, plums are perfect for summer. It's a plum. Plum. Perfect for toast or salads, avocados are smooth and delicious. It's an avocado. Avocado. Soft, sweet, and filled with tiny seeds. Figs are nature's candy. It's a fig. Fig. Tangy and refreshing. Grapefruits are a citrus delight. It's a grapefruit. Grapefruit. Tropical and juicy, papayas bring a taste of the islands. It's a papaya. Papaya. Sweet, fragrant, and full of tropical flavor. This is guava. It's a guava. Guava. Small, sweet, and easy to peel. Tangerines are a favorite snack. It's a tangerine. Tangerine. Smooth, sweet, and juicy. Nectarines are a delicious summer fruit. It's a nectarine. Nectarine. Passion fruit is exotic and fun. Tropical, tangy, and full of seeds. It's a passion fruit. Passion fruit. With a unique flavor and texture, jackfruit is a tropical delight. It's a jackfruit. Jackfruit. With its pink skin and white inside, dragon fruit is as unique as it looks. It's a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Tiny, juicy, and full of antioxidants. Raspberries are super healthy. They're raspberries. Raspberries. Great job learning all these fruit names. Remember to practice, and soon you'll know them all by heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.